Mindanao adventure. Mindanao is the biggest island of the Philippines, so there is a lot that could be said. There used to be a few terrorist groups in the Mindanao island that took control of some parts, but that's already gone. I mean, the island is perfectly safe to travel now, except some parts of the east. But if you go to Cagayan, Davao, or the eastern part, then you wouldn't have any issues. But on the road you can see like more military controls and stuff, but for me it's probably my favorite island. There are places that absolutely blew my mind. I wasn't expecting that. Limunsudan Falls, that was like Niagara level waterfalls. It's the two, and yeah, just look at the pictures. That's crazy. In Bukidnon region, that was very beautiful, and the Laswitan Falls and Lagoon on the very east towards Siargao Island, that's also crazy beautiful, and it just blew my mind. And there were no people